Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will show you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the speaker of the device, they are not working or any sound issue with the speaker, you can solve it by the method as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the speaker problem in your device Vivo T1 Pro. Let's watch the video.